In this video, we're going to create another track based around the loop from the Apple Loops library. I've chosen a vocal loop named Gospel Improv. This loop is quite loud, so make sure to lower the track volume. Next, we'll add a simple drum beat using the beat sequencer. We'll keep it simple with just a bass drum on beat 1 and a snare hit on beat 3. Tap the inspector to set the pattern length to 32 steps. Then add an additional bass drum hit as shown here. The default electronic drum kit doesn't really suit this sample, so instead I'm going to change the drum kit to the acoustic retro rock drum kit. To complement the vocal gospel improv loop, I'm going to change the snare hits to hand claps. Then tap record to record in your drum beat. Next, let's add a bass line. The ideal bass for this track will be the upright or double bass. I'll use autoplay pattern 3 based entirely on a C chord. Next, we'll add a second drum beat that would kick in as the song would progress. The default virtual drummer Kyle doesn't really suit this track, so instead we're going to use Curtis, the neo-soul drummer. I've changed the preset drum pattern to the Urban Suite option, and I've also slightly simplified the drum pattern. Next, let's add some chords using one of the keyboards. Because it suits this track, I'm going to again use one of my favourites, the smooth clav. We'll use autoplay pattern 2 just on a C chord, tapping on the right hand section of the chord strip. And then this bluesy, gospel inspired track is then complete.